everybody, welcome. Second video today. Now I don't know what time it's going to be uploaded, but this one was asked me to do from Jamie and his daughter Sophie. For Jamie and his daughter. Oh yeah, never done this before in my life. I've never even had it before in my life. So I don't know whether I'm going to get this right or not. So I've got this. I wanted me to do ramen noodles. Never had it before. I didn't even know where to start. So then I went up Morrison's and I saw this. They had it on sale for £2.50 from £3.50. So I thought I'd get that and I'll have a crack at it. I don't know. Wagamama is it or something? I suppose I'm saying it completely wrong, but you know what it means, I suppose. So let's have a read of it and let's make it. So, I mean, it says it's a milk, it serves two. Yeah, and it looks quite simple. I've had a look at the instructions. Where are they? You can see them. I haven't even got my glasses on. Chicken breast. Well, I'm not doing the chicken because I've done a chicken on my last video. And I've already got some here. So basically it's just the noodles and that in it. So in a hot pan, matching lid, that's the chicken. I don't need to do none of that. So put 400 ml of boiling water in a jug and add the broth paste followed by the, what is that? Wagamama and stir. Let's open it up anyway and have a look first. Okay. Let's get it all out. Never had ramen noodles before, ever in my life. Well, it's just the noodles, isn't it? Just noodles, isn't it? There's your broth. That's your Wagamama, I suppose. That, what is that anyway, that Wagamama? Let's have a look, see what it say. Seaweed. Oh, it's seaweed. Okay, seaweed then, that is. And some sesame seeds. So this should be so quite simple. I thought this was going to be complicated. But it ain't, is it? So 400 ml of water. Let me boil the kettle. Alright, first things first then. I've done my water, 400 ml. Where is it? I've lost it now. Put 400 ml in the water. Put in the broth and the seaweed. The Wagamama, whatever it's called. So, broth. I thought it'd be harder than this to do this, maybe. Obviously not. Bit more there, get all the broth in, get it all. Not quite much there, is there? And your seaweed, your Wagamama, whatever it's called. And stir. Okay, there it is. It smells nice. That's very nice. Yum yum. Smells lovely, that does. Next up is refresh the noodles in boiling water for 20 seconds and drain. Right, boiling water again, put them in a saucepan. Doesn't say how much water, I suppose it don't really matter, does it? Quite simple this one, ain't it really, when I've already prepared the chicken and that, so. 20 seconds. Oh, I've got my sieve. I'm drying them off. That's that. It's virtually done, in it. What's next? Pour the rest of the add the noodles to a bowl. And get a bowl. Noodles. So it serves two, doesn't it? So make sure they're drained a bit. They're supposed to be really drained, I don't know. I'll put half in. Something like that. Noodles in a bowl. This over the top. Smells really nice, that does, you know. Smells really nice. I want a bit of that seaweed in there. Ain't got none. Give me some of that seaweed. Wagamama, whatever it's called. Like so, I've got some of my chicken which I'm going to put on. That I prepared earlier in my last video. And I'm also going to put on a bit of cucumber, so I'm going to chop some cucumber up. I don't know, just to get a bit of colour, I suppose. Bit of cucumber. You see that? Yeah. That smells delicious, that does, you know. Never had these before. I don't know why I've never had these before. I know people have done them before, had them before in it's this spicy challenge and that they do. And some sesame seed on top, why not? There we go. That's done. Apart from making the chicken, which I made in my last video, you ain't going to see that properly, are you? Well, there we go. And I made another one. There's not quite enough juice in that one. So put it all, well, broth, whatever you call it. Put it all in there. Well, anyway, let's give it a taste test. Right, I'm not going to be able to show you because you're going to be able to spin it. So, I'm going to try the broth first. First time ever trying this stuff, so. Oh, that's nice. Oh, I like that. Oh, that seaweed done off. Kick that broth off, doesn't it? Bit of seaweed. Oh, that's lovely. Oh, yes. Noodles. I haven't got no chopsticks. Not that I know how to use them anyway. Well, I've never had this before. This is gorgeous, man. And the chicken. So I've done these chicken sliders on my last video, so want to say I don't know how I've done them. Oh wow. Wow. And the cucumber. That is gorgeous. How many calories are in there? Serves 2 per serving. I ain't got my glasses on. Then I says 169, I think. I can't see, I ain't got my glasses on. Then obviously without the chicken. Oh, that's gorgeous, man. What does that mean with that? It wouldn't mean with the chicken, would it? Wow. Yeah, £2.50 at the minute up Morrison's. From $3.50, so worth getting. I did buy these at first. So I've never had it before, these ramen noodles. I bought them at first. I don't know whether they was the right ones I was going to do it with. But then I've seen that packet, so I'll use that because it's easier for me. Well, there you go, Jamie. Same for it. Brilliant, that is. Really like that. That's really nice. I'll be eating this more often. That's a fact. Oh yes. Well, there you go, another quick one. So it'll be 2 today, I don't know what time it'll be uploaded. So Jamie, same for you, thanks for sending me that through. Really, you probably make your own in that, I don't know, I ain't got a clue. But yeah, if you've never made it before, that took me what, 5 minutes to make or something? Not even that. With the chicken probably, yeah, chicken 2.5, 5 minutes to make with the chicken. I am the old food guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Till the next time. I'll see you later. Bye bye.